What's up, JK Adventure fans? Y'all already know who it is. It's your favorite couple.
The inconsistent couple.
Very inconsistent, but for good cause, people. Good cause. Tell them the big move. Big move them.
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys know, but JK Adventures finally decided to be adults and we moved out together.
So no more living with mommy and daddy, so we're gonna have a link for a GoFundMe down below because we've seen those kind of help people out. So if you guys wanna, you know.
Or Cash App. You can Cash App. Help us decorate our new home or something.
But we're gonna take you on a tour on the inside of the house and all the video clips and all that. Hard work, very hard work, trust me. Oh. You're not in my shoes. Very, very, very miserable situation for me. But I'm happy we're out. We jumped in the new year. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you guys celebrate.
Happy holidays.
Jumping into the new year with both feet, taking on a new step in our lives, a new chapter. And this is just beneficial for us. And it's gonna be beneficial for you guys. So if you guys have a specific content you like, we're definitely gonna try and pump out more videos, get back on the grind, and we have a lot of stuff coming up for the new year. You know, it's just the two of us. Probably can't sing that, I might get demonetized, but how do you feel?
I mean, I'm excited. I'm excited. I hope we get everything together and we can finally get videos out for them because we've been slacking a little bit.
Because once we get consistent, then we're gonna get that YouTube money in.
Exactly.
Then we won't have to live in this little house anymore.
Yeah, but
everyone's got to start somewhere. Positive vibes, positive thoughts, and keep feeling blessed, you know. And that's how you gotta live life.
Because we are blessed. We're blessed that we're able to even do this step in our lives. I don't even know if you
guys see me with this new haircut yet.
But we will update you guys once we furnish the place, and I'm sure we're gonna have to run to IKEA, get some things, build them for you guys, and just you guys are gonna come along on this journey with us. Right?
So like, subscribe, share, show some love. You know what to do. We're driving in the rain in Florida, always raining. But peace, love, and happiness. We're fired up. You should be fired up.
Yeah, no, I am fired up. I'm fired up. Super fired up.
I'm talking to people, they should be fired up.
Oh, yeah. You guys should be fired up too.
But JK, over and out. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye, guys.